Blessed day to all of us, and let's glorify God today. Sometimes we feel something in our body, maybe weakness, maybe sickness. But you see, we fight for it. We fight for it because we still want to do our responsibilities and obligation. And all we can do is just pray. We pray, Lord, I don't want this sickness. I want you to heal me and give me strength. And you know what? The good news is, God hears that prayer. In Corinthians 12:9, the Lord said, "My grace is sufficient for you, and my power is made perfect in weakness." What does this mean? This means that even our body feels weak, God's power becomes stronger in us. He does not only remove our sickness, He also gives us strength to continue, even if we don't feel 100%. So today, dear brothers and sisters, if you feel weak or you feel sick, pray. Because when you choose to trust God, He is bigger than what you feel. And God honors that kind of faith. Hope this helps. And thank you for listening. To God be the glory.